In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your template on Big Cartel. This process will give your online store a fresh new look in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you're logged into your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage everything about your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll see the Account option. Click on it to access your account settings. It's always a good idea to know where these settings are located, as they'll allow you to customize various aspects of your store. Now, as you scroll down the page, you'll come across the Shop Design section. This is where the magic happens, and you'll want to click on Go to Shop Designer. This section allows you to make changes to the overall appearance of your store, ensuring it reflects your brand's personality and engages your customers right from the first glance. Moving on to the next page, you'll notice Templates in the top left corner. This is your gateway to a variety of design options. Templates act as a foundation for your store's appearance, and choosing the right one can make a big difference in how your products are perceived. As a quick tip, think about your target audience and the kind of aesthetic that might appeal to them as you browse through these options. Spend a little time exploring the different templates available to find one that best fits your vision. Once you've decided on the perfect template, click Switch Template. It's important to feel confident with your choice, as this will define the visual identity of your store. A confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen, prompting you to confirm your choice. If you're ready to proceed, simply go ahead and click OK. And that's all there is to it. Changing your template is a straightforward process that could significantly enhance your shop's appearance and attract more visitors. Remember, the look of your store can leave a lasting impression, so it's worth taking the time to revisit your design choices periodically as trends change and your business evolves. Feel free to come back to the Shop Designer whenever you're inspired to refresh your store's look or experiment with different styles. Always keep your unique brand in mind and ensure that your online shop remains an inviting place for customers to explore. This guide should make updating your Big Cartel store a breeze, allowing you to present your products in the best possible light with minimal effort. Before you finish, double-check that all your content is displaying correctly with the new template. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online store transformation.